So first of all, I will tell you what is the concept of this sites and application is. Usually, this is one server, and this server belongs to Bangalore, for example. Bangalore is the headquarter. Bangalore is the headquarter. I have set up my first company here, Bangalore. After 2 years of loss, we are getting a profit. So with that profit, what we are doing, we will open one branch in Delhi, for example. Okay. So what we will do is, in Delhi, everything will be set up, no problem. There also server will be there, but it will be under headquarters server.
Okay. Bangladesh headquarters.
Just imagine this is an RODC.
Delhi.
RODC can be done only in your own environment.
Bangalore.
Headquarters. Sites and application, with the help of that, you can distribute this server to another site.
Delhi,
Mumbai, wherever. You can set up. But it will be the same, because what happens in Delhi, Mumbai, you are not going to create any new server, any new domain. It will be the same domain only.
Okay.
So in order to separate these sites, we need to create them. Usually in RODC, we don't choose any site. That means it is in same site only. Bangalore to Bangalore. दूसरे जगह नहीं. Sites and application, you can decide the sites. Like you can see, like okay, in Bangalore these are the servers are running. In Delhi these are the servers are running. In Mumbai these are the servers are running. So those can be done with the help of sites and application. So here in our practical, we have two server. One is main DC and one is member server.
Yes, sir.
Main DC, let's say it is in Bangalore. Member server, it is in Delhi, Mumbai, wherever. Okay. Now I want to open one branch. So before opening one branch in Delhi, we need to deploy a server over there. Headquarter. Correct?
Yes.
So in order to do this, what we need to do, go to tools under main DC. That is our main server. Under tools, you will see something called Active Directory Sites and Services.
Yes, sir.
Sites and services or sites and application, both are same. Okay. Magnify the
No need. No, sir, no need.
so active. I know, that's why I'm asking.
Shweta, if it is magnified in after watching it is not visible in good way. Go directly, sir. No problem.
Active Directory Sites and Service. You need to come here.
Okay.
So here you can see under sites we have three options: inter-site transport, subnets, and one is something called default first site name.
Yes, sir.
If I expand this default first site name, we are getting something called servers.
Yes, sir.
If I expand this servers, what I am getting?
Main DC.
Main DC, and main DC belongs to which headquarter?
Bangalore.
Bangalore headquarter. But here it's written default first site name. What we need to do? We need to rename. So rename and make it as जो भी नाम हो, whatever the main. Now, right now we have only one site that I can see, that is in Bangalore only. We can't see any other sites. But our server need to deploy in other site, right?
Yes,
That means we need to create what? We need to create what? Another site. We need to create one more site where we will attach server there. So, under sites, right click, new site. What will the name?
Delhi.
Delhi branch. banks and all, we have a lot of branches. No?
Yes.
Main server में ऐसे बना हुआ है. Which location, what branches are there? ऐसे यहाँ पे बना हुआ है. When we are handling for Axis Bank, तो हम लोग को ये करना है. For each and every branch, we have to create, we need to deploy servers. Cloud में था, whatever. So when you give the name of this, you need to select this default IP site link. Then click OK. IP site link. Okay, click on. It will ask you site Delhi has been created to finish configuration of Delhi branch. तो ये कुछ लिखेगा आएगा. Click on OK. Now we can see that two branches are there now. One is one headquarter and another is at Delhi. Now if I expand Delhi, under servers there is nothing. Okay. What we need to do, we need to put this member server. Where we need to put? Member server को कहाँ डालना है? Where should I put this member server?
In Bangalore.
In Delhi branch. In Delhi branch, we need to deploy member server. How we can do? Now, till here is done for the means. अब configuration कहाँ जाएगा? Member server. Member server में हम लोग configure. Now we will configure in member server. So let's go to member server. Go to manage. Add roles and features.
Okay.
Same like RODC, but not RODC. What I told you. Yes, all steps are same. In RODC, what you do, here also you need to do the same steps. But when it comes to sites, then after here you need to configure. So next.
Sir, manage add roles and features after next.
Same. How do you install other things? Yes, that's it. Same criteria, same thing. Here we need to install ADDS.
ADDS.
That's it. Only ADDS.
You selected topics.
Add features.
Go on to manage. Add roles and features. Then next. Add Active Directory domain service. You need to tick.
You have to select even file and storage services.
This is automatically taken. You don't have to do anything.
So we have to select which one active?
ADDS.
Active Directory domain service. Done? Then next. Install.
Wait for 2 minutes. Go for coffee.
अगर टाइम हो तो आज नेटवर्क लोड बैलेंसिंग भी खत्म कर दूँ.
खत्म कर दो सर, कुछ नहीं होता.
ठीक है.
खत्म कर दो, कुछ नहीं होता.
If time left, I will finish the network load balancing also.
Okay, no problem.
Before
They
we
missed it. They didn't came to class.
punishment.
Punishment.
Installation done. Now promote this server to a domain controller. We need to do it. Same process. No difference.
But software development is very tough, sir.
Now you can see here it's written DC02 administrator.
Yes, sir.
But instead of DC02, what should come?
Member server. VDC.
It should be admin.
Okay.
That means instead of DC02 administrator, it should come Electronium administrator or domain. Whatever domain you create, that domain /administrator. So now if I select here, it will give me a prompt. Like here it's showing, but we need to give it that.
Yes, we have to change.
Change
Administrator, password.
@ followed by password. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Can you repeat where you went?
It will come back again, sir. It won't come. It won't come back. It will.
ROTC concept you know or not?
Same that.
Same. No difference. Here, when we do ROTC, we need to select this part. Third option.
Yes, sir.
Read only domain controller, right?
Okay.
Now we don't want. We are not getting ROTC. We are just following the steps.
Okay.
Down we can see site name.
Site and yes, sir.
We have created one site in the name of Delhi, correct?
Yes.
Here I need to
Yes, sir. Delhi branch.
Delhi branch. Usually what we do, we need go with the Bangalore only. Normally for first site we say Arivar. Here we will change the site only. उसके बाद दो पासवर्ड जो देना है आपको.
Password.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Then follow the same step. Next. Replicate from main DC. बस उसके बाद नेक्स्ट इंस्टॉल कर दो. पता नहीं. Same step whatever you done for ROTC. Just the difference is you don't have to select ROTC. Instead of that, you need to select a site name.
That's it.
Just change the site name. Then next whatever you say. Same. No difference. Install. Online who didn't came in class, have you understood or not? Any queries?
No queries. That's why they are not speaking out also.
No sound, that means no queries.
Yes.
Later on if you ask, I am not going to solve.
We are going to Hong Kong.
I will not be available.
If they have any doubt, tell them to come Assam.
Yes. If you have any doubts, come to Assam.
There we can explain
Then,
everything.
yes.
Place is awesome.
Assam place is very good Assam.
Just 2,700 kilometers.
That's it. From here.
2,700 kilometers.
It will take 2 hours, sir. Flight
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
In train.
3 days.
Wow, what a difference. 3 hours, 3 days.
ट्रेन में नहीं जा सकते हैं. दिमाग खराब.
How much cost for
Flight.
5,000, sir.
My 4,000 something.
When
I
you
have
You
have,
booked
sir.
it long back, I think, no?
no. In last month only. I have one contact, so I told him to give some discount.
हमको भी दे दो सर कॉन्टैक्ट.
ये सबको नहीं
हमें
देते
हैदराबाद जाना है.
हैं. वो सबको नहीं देते ना, वही तो दिक्कत है. नहीं तो मैं तो
Assam
बड़ी
is the hill station, right?
kind of, but not exactly.
It's
Hill
kind of
station is like
Mussoorie,
in
yeah?
Meghalaya and those part. But नहीं
Assam
our
or
It's
Assam?
heavy
party
rainfall,
is.
no, there.
Uh-huh.
It's always rainfall.
No, it's not always.
Sorry, Assam
Meghalaya
where,
is
sir?
rainfall.
Guwahati.
What is Assam?
Meghalaya is
Guwahati.
the heavy rainfall.
Yes, in that side, Cherrapunji, those
No.
part.
8,400 ticket price.
Now.
Now, if we book for April, May, 4,000.
April, May.
September 22, 24,000.
What place is there to see there? NASA, good places.
Good place, Kaziranga is there. Shillong is there. Then in Meghalaya part there is a good place. Very good.
But Assam, Meghalaya, there are dense green forest, no? Very dense forest. The map only so dark it is.
It's a forest, but it's not like exactly the forest. It seems like that, but it's not like that.
Electron administrator. This is my batch or another batch? This administrator electron.
This is another one.
Another batch.
I've created this in my system, not in lab.
Earlier we used server.
See, DC02 is showing here, right?
Yes, sir.
That means what? My member server is deployed under Delhi.
Yes.
अभी भी काम खत्म नहीं हुआ. It's not connected together. This and this cannot. It's not connected together. Main DC and DC02. That means what? If I change anything in main DC, it will not replicate in DC02. Or if I change anything in DC02, it will not change in main DC.
Because it's not connected.
It's not connected. Site to site, we need to create it. Then only there will be a communication. Otherwise, no. So to do that, can you see here inter-site transport? The first inter-site transport.
Yes, sir.
Expand, you will get IP.
Yes, sir.
Right click on this IP and create new site link. We need to create one link. इसको लिखो जो नाम लिखना है.
That is link, no, sir.
हाँ लिंक करने के लिए. Bangalore bank hyphen
Bangalore to
Delhi. हाँ हो गया. After that select this both site in this site link. कैसे select करना है? Control.
Control plus.
उसके बाद दोनों को select करो.
Okay.
Okay? Done. यहाँ पे देखो site link बना. It's created.
Yes, sir.
Bangalore hyphen Delhi. If I double click on this, here you can see replicate every 180 minutes. That means 3 hours. Whatever the data will be updated in your server, main DC for example, it will replicate to the member server after 3 hours.
Okay.
You can reduce also.
Member server is in Bangalore.
Server is in here.
Delhi.
In Delhi is there one server. If any updates are going on in Bangalore,
It will be shared to
it will be
Delhi
shared
branch.
Delhi branch, but after 3 hours.
Okay.
But yet also you can reduce it into 1 hour
We can change the time.
or make it as 2 minutes. It depends on you.
Or whatever we have to give. you can-
Yes.
Okay.
It depends on your how much it is a criteria. So standard is 5 minutes, but वो depend करता है company. After that, if you want to choose when should be replicated, when should not.
Schedule.
When you have to replicate and when you don't have to replicate. That also you can do. Change schedule. Like for example, on Sunday there is no work, so I don't want any replication.
Okay.
So just make it out.
Okay. Sunday no data will be transferred.
No data will be replicated.
Okay.
For example, Saturday there is a half day. So I want till
12 to 2 o'clock.
let's say
After 2 it will be closed.
12 a.m. to office जब खुलता है, for example
9 to 1.
from 6 to 7. हाँ
To remove double click, sir. To remove double click.
here replication not available, replication available.
After selecting this, we have to select.
So like that you need to design. You need to make this configuration that when to replicate, when not to replicate. After that, click OK.
It depends on individual.
Individual whatever they want, it depends on that. Next thing is what? Object security ये सब की जरूरत नहीं है. Main is this in general. This part.
Cost 100 rupees.
Cost 100 rupees नहीं हो. Cost 100 means it's a set and how much speed it will go. Bandwidth. If you increase,
It will go speed.
it will be little bit slow.
Slow. Okay.
If you decrease, it will be high.
How much
Like
it will
AC.
decrease, sir? Till
So 100 is the standard.
100. In 5 minutes.
If you make it more or less, एक shot पे इतना fast वो भेज देगा, it will lose some packets.
Okay.
हेलो पैकेट आपने सेंड किया, इतना स्पीड पे चला जाएगा वो हेलो को पकड़ ही नहीं पाएगा, हेलो पकड़ लेगा उसे. Half of the data will be sent.
HCLL will send go anywhere.
So that's why it should be in a balance. ज़्यादा जल्दी भी भेज देना खराब. And if it is slow also तो हो गया. So it should be in the middle. इसलिए 100 max. Apply. Oh, please enter the value between 15 and अच्छा. Minimum value 15. That means 15 minutes के नीचे नहीं कर सकते.
Okay.
And maximum 10080 hours. 15. Apply. Click on OK. Now we have created link.
Yes.
Now what is the network ID for Delhi? It can be anything. Because routers will be there, switch will be there, it will connect together or different networks, correct? So what is the network of that site? That also you need to mention. How you will mention? Can you see here subnets? Right click on subnets. New. Or you can go with a new subnet over here. Now here you need to assign what is the network ID of Delhi site. So currently I am using the same network ID here. So I am giving the same thing 192.168.1.0/24. Is there any doubt with this IP or this with network ID?
No.
Sure na?
That's 24.
Main administrator.
No doubt, right? Why this network ID I am giving? Why I am giving this network ID?
Main server का.
मतलब ये नेटवर्क आईडी हमने क्यों दिए?
Told that we have to take any no problem. Any network.
Earlier we had given 192 only, 192.168, so we have to give same.
Because these both servers are in same network ID.
Okay. We don't want
If
to.
we have anything, for example, main DC 192 and in Delhi the network ID is 10.
Okay.
So here I need to give 10 network.
192 and 168 we don't want to change. We have to use same.
समझ ही नहीं आता बल्कि ड्रॉ करके
అంతే కదా 192 168
సేమ్ నెట్వర్క్ ఉంది కాబట్టి వేరే ఎట్లా చేంజ్ చేస్తాం అన్ని దాని మీద అదే నెట్వర్క్ మీద
मतलब कष्ट कराना ही है मान लो ये बैंगलोर में है and having a network ID of 192.168 or 1.0/24. Okay, and this server is in Delhi.
Okay.
And what is the network ID?
192.
For example, 10.0.0.0/24. For example, routing होगा बहुत सारा चीजें हैं. That means this can communicate this, no problem.
Okay.
Now, when we are going to attach there, when we are going to give the IP there,
Okay.
we are giving for Delhi side, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So Delhi side have which network ID?
10.0.
10, right?
Okay.
So I need to assign there 10. we need to tell the server that site's network ID is 10, so you can communicate. Now what we have done, both the servers are in same network ID.
Okay.
Because we don't have router there,
Yes.
so we can communicate. So we are giving this.
Okay.
But in real time, when you see, you have to check the network ID on the site, and that network ID you need to assign there. Clear? Now, when you written this down, you have to select for which branch, Delhi branch, correct?
Yes.
Click on OK. Done. As soon as it is created, there should be something like this. What is coming?
HIDS settings.
Under Bangalore headquarters servers BNDC NTDS settings, it's something came automatically generated.
Yes.
Why this came? Because we created an inter-site transport, no? But here you can see from server DC02 from site Delhi branch. That means whatever records, updates, whatever it is done in DC02 will be replicated in main DC. Okay, but if I see on DC02, I don't have anything here. It's blank. So we need to create one more link. In main DC, we have linked between DC02 to main DC. But in DC02, we need to create a link between main DC to DC02. Ulta. So how to do? Right click on NTDS setting. Can you see here new Active Directory services? Connection. New Active Directory domain service connection. Click on that. यहाँ पे मेरा कौन सा है? Main DC. So click on main DC. Okay.
It's coming.
What? क्या हुआ?
Late आ रहा है.
अभी आया ठीक है?
हाँ.
Right click, new Active Directory domain service. Select from where you want to replicate. Main DC, correct?
Yes.
So main DC को select. Click on OK. Name whatever you want to give, you can give it or you can give it the same, no problem. Okay. Now can you see from server main DC, from site Bangalore.
Bangalore.
That means if any changes done in Bangalore, it will replicate to Delhi. समझे? तब ये थोड़ा सा एसोसिएट होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है सिंक होने में. So what we will do is to test, we will create one. For example, एक यूजर बनाते थोड़ा नया आएगा तो कुछ भी नहीं. ठीक है, मैंने एक सिंपल साइट यूजर बनाया. Now I want this change to be happen over here. It should be replicated in Delhi. If my link is clear, then it will be transferred after 15 minutes. That's 15 minutes कौन रुकेगा? We will do it instantly now. So how to do that? यहाँ पे right click. यहाँ नहीं रुको, यहाँ पे. In here you can see you can select. Right click, replicate now. If you click on replicate now, it will replicate everything instantly.
Instant.
It will not wait for 15 minutes. So replicate now. Done. Same, do it from Delhi branch. Replicate now. अभी थोड़ा रुको. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. See,
Yes, sir.
came.
Yes, sir.
User
This is what cycling. This is what sites and replication.
completed, sir.
This is how you open branches and all and connect
For
it.
every branch, we have to create one user.
Yes. Not user. I'm just
For
showing this
purpose.
testing. Maybe anything. Your all type configuration will be there, right? तो वो जो भी अपडेट आता रहेगा यहीं पे रेप्लिकेट होता रहेगा. But this is the way to create branch and attach branch to the site.
Network load balance.
वो ठीक है, बाकी सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं आया मैं करा दूंगा, उसके बाद डाउट आएगा आपको दिक्कत हो जाएगा.
After practicing, you will get doubts, sir.
Online, is it clear? Yes, no. Reply. Otherwise, I will shut down the Skype right now.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Yes. Google.
Only one is there or what?
Kirti, yes. Replied, sir.
Click the reply, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
क्या है Google? Google को प्रॉब्लम है.
कितना बजा है? 11. We can do it. Okay. Let's do another topic.
Network load balance.
Network load. लेकिन उसके लिए एक
RODC
और
only in same branch we can. That is secondary. That's it. Sir.
I already say seeking branch होगा. But we can do it in the like this also. We can giving a site change and all.
Oh.
Steps are same. There is no difference. But to separate a site like that,
Yeah, yes. Sir.
you need to do this.
Other places.
ब्रांच जब भी खोलते हैं साइट्स एंड एप्लीकेशन यूजर, वहाँ पे आप RODC करके वैसा कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Yes.
Because it will be deployed in one site only. All right. If it is clear, then I will just reset everything in this member server, okay? So that we can do network load balancing. नहीं तो नहीं हो, एक और इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा.
What, sir?
मतलब इसको reset करना है.
Okay.
So whatever I have done, I will just remove.
Okay.
Do one thing. Close this recording. Keep it for name it as sites and application and record once again.
Okay.
Otherwise एक ही चीज में